How to make a rocket. Building a small-scale rocket can be an educational and engaging project when done safely and responsibly. However, it's crucial to emphasize that rocketry can be hazardous and you should always follow safety guidelines and local laws and regulations. Below is a simplified overview of how to create a basic small-scale model rocket for educational purposes. **** Materials and tools ****. 1. Cardboard or plastic tube for the rocket body, usually called the airframe. 2. Nose cone, can be made from plastic or balsa wood. 3. Fins, balsa wood or plastic. 4. Engine or motor, follow local laws regarding rocket engines. 5. Igniters and igniter plugs. 6. Launch pad and launch controller. 7. Recovery system, example a parachute. 8. Adhesive, example glue. 9. Safety goggles and gloves. Steps 1. Design plan your rocket's design. Decide on the size, shape, and materials you'll use for the body, nose cone, and fins. Ensure the rocket is stable and aerodynamic. 2. Construction Assemble the rocket body by attaching the fins to the lower part. Attach the nose cone to the top of the body. Install the motor mount for the rocket engine. Ensure all parts are securely glued and allow them to dry completely. 3. Engine installation Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the rocket engine. Make sure the igniter is properly connected. 4. Safety preparations Set up your launch pad on a clear, open area away from people, buildings, and flammable materials. Put on safety goggles and gloves. 5. Launch Place the rocket on the launch pad. Connect the igniter to the launch controller. Follow the launch controller's instructions to launch the rocket. 6. Recovery Your rocket should have a recovery system, example a parachute, to ensure a safe descent after reaching its peak altitude. 7. Post-flight analysis Examine the rocket after each launch. Check for any damage or wear and tear. 8. Clean up Collect all rocket parts and debris after the launch, ensuring the area is clean and safe. 9. Safety first Always prioritize safety when working with rockets. Follow safety guidelines, local regulations, and any school or organization policies.